Building a tiny house on wheels with a one-side quarter circle curve. First of all, we have to creating a tiny house on wheels with a unique one-side quarter circle curve design requires careful planning and precision. Let's walk through the essential steps to bring this innovative concept to life. Um, Design and planning, and begin by sketching your tiny house concept. Incorporate the quarter circle curve on one side, ensuring the dimensions align with the trailer's size and weight capacity. Use the 3D design software to visualize the structure and make necessary adjustment. Ensure the design complies with local regulation for mobile homes. Trailer selection and preparation are important thing. You have to choose a suitable trailer that can support the weight of the tiny house, and then clean the trailer frame and supply rust resistant paint, and then install a subfloor using pressure treated wood, ensuring a solid foundation for the structure. And then you have to make a framing the structure. Construct the house frame using lightweight but durable materials such as steel or engineered wood. Build the curve by side by creating custom ribs or trusses that form the quarter circle shape. Ensure each rib is evenly spaced and securely fastened to the frame, and then seating and waterproofing. Cover the frame with plywood seating, bending the seats carefully to follow the curve, and then use flexible materials if necessary to maintain the smooth arc. Apply a waterproof membrane over the seating to protect the tiny house from moisture and external elements. And then roofing and insulation. Install the lightweight curved roof using metal sheet or other bondable roofing materials that follows the quarter circle contour. And then insulate the walls, floor, and roof with high quality insulation to maintain comfort in various weather conditions. And then interior layout and utilities are important before finishing. It's about to plan the interior layout wisely to maximize the limited space, and then incorporate multifunctional furniture and storage solution. Then install plumbing, electrical wiring, and heating system, and also ensuring all utilities are safe and compliant with mobile housing standards. And then about the exterior finishing, you have to choose an exterior finish that complements the curved design, such as wood siding, metal panels, or composite materials. Ensure all edges are sealed properly to prevent water infiltration. And then about the final touch and testing, and the interior finish, including flooring, wall paneling, and built-in furniture. And then test all system. It's include about the electricity, water, heating, thoroughly, and then take the tiny house for a test tow to check its balance, and then weight distribution, and also roadworthiness. Okay, then with these steps you can build a striking and functional tiny house on wheels, a distinctive quarter circle curve. And then this innovative design not only makes a visual statement but also maximize aerodynamic and interior space heavy building. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I presented just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about useful ideas and useful inspiration. Okay, thanks for watching and just wait for my next video. Thank you.